we live in an astonishing universe, but it seems remote from our human concerns, our lives, our loves, our hopes, our fears. How should we feel deep inside the Milky Way? Let's travel out and take a look. So let's begin. The universe is big. It's very, very, very big. It's so big, it can be unsettling. Let's start at home. Planet Earth. It's a ball of rock covered with a thin skin of water and air that we crawl around. We circle around the sun. The sun is a burning ball of gas. It dwarfs the Earth. You can fit 1 million Earths inside the sun. Our orbit around the sun is another 200 times bigger than the sun itself. If we move out through the solar system, there are more rocks, more planets, circling around the sun at larger and larger distances, until, as we get right out to the frozen edge of the solar system, past the dwarf planet Pluto, out to the Oort cloud of comets, looking back, the sun looks like just another star. But the rest of the stars, even the nearest stars, are much further away, thousands of times further away than Pluto. As we stare out at the sky, there seems to be so many of them. We get the impression of an endless sea of stars. But it's not a formless infinity. We see a pattern to the stars. Look out on a good dark night. Arcing across the sky there is a fuzzy strip of light, the Milky Way. That milky strip tells us that we live inside a giant disk of stars. As we look out through the disk, the most distant stars blur together. You can see this with your own eyes. Lie on your back, staring at the Milky Way, and you can feel yourself inside that giant wheeling disk. It's where you live. Add a giant telescope and infrared cameras, and we can see deep inside the Milky Way. There are billions and billions of stars.